The Japanese interior concept is getting more and more popular. The interior design, which combines the Japanese minimalist style and the multifunctional concept of the Scandinavian style, is in great demand because it is able to create a simple impression, blending with nature, but still artistic. If you want to adopt a Japanese design but don't have the budget to apply it to the whole room, you can start from the bathroom. This is because the bathroom is an important area in the house to cleanse and refresh the body and provide a calming, relaxing effect. For inspiration, here we have some tips and tricks for creating a Japandi-style bathroom at home. To find out more, keep watching. 1. Use furniture with natural shades. To create a Japanese style in the bathroom, you can apply a number of furniture that has a natural feel. You can use a sink holder made of natural stone combined with a wooden shelf to create a natural impression. 2. Combine neutrals with contrasting colors. Neutral colors such as white, brown, or beige are often the choice of Japandi-style furniture. When arranging a Japandi-style bathroom design, you can also combine contrasting colors with neutral base colors to make it visually more attractive. There are many ways you can do to adjust the colors in this Japandi-style bathroom design. For example, displaying a painting with a contrasting color such as red on a wall dominated by beige, or installing a sticker with a striking color on one part of the wall. 3. Add plant decorations to a Japanese bathroom. In addition to using furniture with a natural impression, you can also add decorations to create a more beautiful atmosphere in the bathroom. In the Japanese bathroom that you are designing, just add decorative plant decorations in several spots, such as succulents above the sitting closet or other types of indoor plants on the sink table. 4. Use compact and minimalist electronic devices. In modern bathrooms, the use of electronic devices such as water heaters is common. However, especially for those of you who are designing a Japandi-style bathroom, you should choose bathroom electronic equipment that has a concise design and has a minimalist appearance. You can use EcoSmart water heater, which has a slim, flexible, and elegant design. This water heater has a tank with a compact design so that it fits with the Japanese concept of space saving that you want to carry. In addition, the water heater from Panasonic is also easy to install and has a very minimalist appearance, so that it is ready to beautify the overall appearance of the bathroom in your home. 5. Use sustainable concept products. Another characteristic of Japandi's design is the use of environmentally friendly materials and products. Therefore, you should also use environmentally friendly products in the bathroom, such as the Panasonic water heater, which not only enhances the Japanese style, but also offers energy-saving technology so that it is environmentally friendly. How isn't it difficult to create a charming Japandi-style bathroom interior design? Come on, beautify the appearance of the bathroom in your home with a Japanese design to make it more comfortable. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.